I always like to compare Pi with a Lego set. Once you start getting data, it's like buying more Lego blocks. So many blocks, right? But if you don't start building anything with those blocks, it's just another Lego set sitting there unused. Pi serves as our guiding light, aiding us in pinpointing the root causes, understanding why and how equipment behave as it does. The true essence lies in utilizing and contextualizing the data to uncover all the questions your engineers, scientists, and you may have, and to find those answers. However, while implementing Pi, we often limit our opportunities by narrowing our scope, focusing too much on collecting data alone, and also treat Pi as the data historian only. Also, we often perceive data collection as the primary challenge, and as a result, our post-implementation plans often become hazy. By doing so, we miss out the full-blown power of the entire package and fail to recognize that this is just the start of our journey. There are few other crucial aspects as significant as data collection that will ensure the true success of implementing Pi and also will help us progress towards our destination. Interestingly, the biggest challenges I have faced throughout my experience in Pi are unrelated to the system itself. Number one, understanding how to utilize the system to mitigate the challenges currently faced by the companies. Number two, gaining trust in the system and its data from end users. Number three, how Pi as a technology can add value to the opportunities that the companies are missing currently. The bottom line, I would say, we focus too much on the Pi system alone without considering or understanding the big picture.